Dirty brushes are horrible for your skin.
Cleaning them. Let's talk do's and don'ts of cleaning your makeup brushes.
Tip number 1, when you have your brushes, make sure that when you're washing them, you're pointing the brush down just like this.
The reason we want to hold our brushes downward when we're washing our brushes is because if I held it like this and let the water run down, it would go into the shaft of the brush, which is where the glue is, which dislodges the bristles in your makeup brush, which we don't want. Tip number 2, make sure you're not using hot, steamy water to wash your makeup brushes. This will dislodge the glue as well into the shaft of the brush and your bristles will fall out. So make sure you're using lukewarm to cool water when you wash your brushes. I love cleaning my brushes multiple ways. My first way is using the Saint Brush Cleaner. This is easy, it dries instantly. Let me show you how I do it. I take a paper towel, my dirty makeup brush, and my brush cleaner. I spray the brush cleaner on the bristles, and then I just rub the makeup off onto the paper towel. It dries instantly and you can use your brush right away. Deep cleaning your brushes is also really important. I do this about 2 times a month. I like to mix Dawn dish soap with olive oil, half and half, put it in a bowl, dip my brushes in it, and then rinse it off into the water. Instantly clean. And lastly, another way to deep clean your brushes is using the Masters Brush Cleaner. It's affordable and